That's a big mouth. All right, let's see what we got. All right, guys, check it out. I contact adhesive, high strength. That works. I thought it was crack filler. I'm like, what is in here making this noise? And it was just rolling from side to side. It's a very peculiar sound. All right, it's time for the next one. I have an idea of what's supposed to be some of the stuff. I don't know what all of it is. So, because the tracking numbers are all wonky, and and I'm not sure who sent the adhesive. Okay, yeah, I know what at least some of this is. Cool. So this is the 2 4-channels, and what is this? Just packaging material. Very well packaged, Slapz. So this comes from Slapz, and that is, yes, that is the 2 4-channels. We'll get to look at those in a bit. But I love the way it's packaged. You got it inside of the boxes, and then they've used packing material around it. Very well done. Nice. All right, so we have this one left. Don't know what's in here. All right, I have named it open. See what's inside here. This, lugs. This is 2-aught gauge 5/16 lugs, 2-aught. Oops, there's still more in there. I think there's another deal in there. If I can get a look at these, I don't one-hand it. See if we can one-hand that tape. Oh, that was some smooth cutting right there, guys. Alright, they're in a bag. 2 bags. That'll work. We can make those work. We sure can. And there's 2 bags of those in there. Okay, and then we got, there was another thing in here, but I do believe that's it. That is the last of the Mohicans. We still got the, still waiting on the 8K. All right, guys, so it is, let's see here, it is Thursday the 23rd, and we are quite hard, and y'all saw what I'm thinking about. Now it would actually be on this side, but maybe right here. I'll have to trim it because I got this a little bit sideways up there, but it would fit right there actually. Now I'm not going to be using cardboard, of course. This is a CAD thing. That would work though. Go down further with it, but this is the amount of space I need. So I have a general idea what space I have to work with. What's in my head is amp DSP 8K fusing something like that. All right, we have another package from the UPS guy. See if we can get this one opened up. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I'm not 100%. Package slip out of there. See what we got going on up in here. Oh, that's what I thought it was. This should be a lot of paper. Our kit for the bed liner. And it's coming with 2 roller pads, 2 roller things. And at least 1 dead tree. What was that, buddy? Oh, you're gonna eat it. All right, so now I just need a roller to roll this with. This is gonna put that cool pattern on. So we're hoping, this is a whole gallon, and we're hoping this will be enough to do the interior wall and the sides, both sides. So everything that's not Tahoe will be this color and covered with this material. And if you're wondering what the color is, there you go. Gray 82W, whatever that means, but it's gray. It's a light gray. Now I've got to leave it in here and let it warm up, because right now it has definitely been sitting on a dock somewhere and it's quite cold. So I got to find out what the working temperature is. Okay, in the instructions it says ideal application temperature range 43 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's our temperature range. We need to get it, it needs to be in the 40s, which we can probably manage that. But this stuff is supposed to be extremely rugged. It's heavy duty, large areas, metal, wooden, concrete, steps, metal protection walkways, boat decks, floors, metal tanks, bridges, ramps, truck beds. Yeah, it's tough stuff. So from the reviews I've read on it, it should be quite effective at giving me a good solid wall. 1 part, totally flexible, slip resistant coating, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. So I'll put a link in the thingamabobber if you guys are interested in picking some of this up. But we're going to put it to work here in the next day or so. Alright, so according to Coat's directions, a few things I pulled out. One, you can get an accelerator for this to make it cure faster from Coat. The humidity needs to be 40% or below. And the best I can tell is they recommend letting it cure for about 48 hours before you try to do anything to it. But once this stuff is cured, it's nigh indestructible. It's extremely tough. So there's that.